Today, Undertaker, I'll start there. You take. Just can. Today, we are the Palace of Guneku in continuation of the seminar on beekeeping. Today, we are doing practicals. Just try to.
Okay. Any of
Try
five.
to take me when I'm talking. So, we are about visiting the hive. To those of you who are watching, either through somebody's phone, this will be published online. And if you like what you see here today, please do subscribe on the channel. So, we'll be moving now to the hive. Thank you. Okay, so in beekeeping, when you want to go for hive, when you don't want me hive wire, you want to approach the box. You're supposed to first of all do what you call you create something like a smoke bridge, because we don't come on, all of us here, maybe we don't rub 1 or 2 oils them, but it will be repugnant to the bees. So immediately they get that scent for human beings, they will start be alert. So when to be smoke the air, essentially do again now for blow any smell from a human, so that they don't realize how you don't reach them before you want neutralize. Because when they realize say you come, they get something they send out, they do exude and out, they say they call an alarm pheromone. That now for warn the rest of the bees and say danger. They don't start be very wild. And that time if you ain't want walk, you know if you walk. So now very important information that. So go start by creating a small bridge before they go there. How that make? How small make come out?
Please, when you do video test, you see it get an organized video where it go put on for you post them. Don't make your video a cameraman to appear within a camera. Please, if you do video test, make sure you go after you. Let me show you where you do.
Stop.
Okay.
Smoking ground is around you. No smoke here. Smoke inside.
When you smoke round like this, you wait for some few seconds. Then now, we open the top. If you can see, let me try to explain now. Yesterday, those will be asked about the possibility. I believe that from there when I say, when you do beehive, always stand at the side. Don't stand in front.
I'm this way. I'm this way, my
Stand at
brother.
the side. When you stand in front, they can easily get to. Those foragers are coming back. So we see the ventilation. No? Okay. We put this tape yesterday because of transportation. You wear the suit. Come close. So now we open. You see now, so the opening is difficult. It's for open because they don't propolize them. Okay. Then now when you open, the first thing now you smoke. You give them smoke. Then you wait. You wait for some few seconds. The smoke, as the inside, the smoke will help to calm them down first, small, before you operate. Our timing today is not the best. So, You see, if I don't know how many people they see closer here. How many people they see right up to the box?
Some of us.
You see the propolis. You see propolis how they run propolis and fair. Even inside this here, the propolis.
Mo farmo. No. This way, pa. This way. Thanks.
Even between the frames. Okay, you see like here, because the frame is shake. After you see, I don't popularize this place. Yeah. The normal trend I said the frames are supposed to be so. This other one, why we talk about for the class of yesterday, I mean talk about big space. You see, say because a big space there, they don't popularize this place. These they work here freely. So any space where they not work freely, they seal them. Okay. Why this frame for here they shake? Now why you see they seal this area. So I will try more moves on frame. We'll try for top con. We'll try for move this frame away, they come away not to make any first. So that will shift. Just hold it. We'll rearrange these frames. Okay. We see it now. We see worker bees there. These small bees away is here. Eh? Undertaker.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting? Come close to working. This small bees where is here. Just smoke a bit. Smoke a bit. Now worker bees and this. I don't know whether I see closely. Some red this thing they inside with the type of deposit. Now small bit of pollen. Okay, it's enough. So now this frame wave we don't shake, we'll try for balance and back so that these are the big angle. Okay. Pump smoke.
For up.
No, even for it. Okay, you see now the brood this. We see pump smoke, mix smoke come out. That's enough $5. Yeah. Okay, just left and left. Yeah. Pump. Okay, now what I mean by worker brood and this place where the queen they lay egg for workers. It's okay. Where they lay egg for workers. When I see them closely, worker brood and this. Okay. If we be lucky, I be used to tell them say bees they hang on each other. Yeah. For draw wax. You see don't end this wax now, they hang on each other now for extend the wax. Okay. If we be lucky, we see Her Majesty. If we not be lucky, I don't really like this time, the timing of today. Okay. Because if we get a good timing. Okay, you see something where the white for this bee leg. Yes. Now pulling that. Today okay, you see why would you use why you say this frame height is fine. You see how the bee are home.
Oh, this guy. Why I give my gloves to you? Eh? suppose smoke am. I no wear my gloves.
If you are normal season, you go see what both
Sure.
our sugar and the money so that I just finish the money. Which happen for the bee hive? One more recap. I believe now why that would be insist yesterday on the timing. Beekeeping, it go on with a lot of timing. If we work on those hives before between 7 and 8, we will say even when I want to stand by when I know where this is, or between 5 and 6, I want to stand by when I know where this is. And I will actually stand there while we do all these things. So now why that we insist on is timing. African bees they do different from the European bees. European bees if you work anytime, but African bees they do very wide. So you must always use that time because why we say timing between 7 and 8? Because within that time the foragers they don't go out. We understand what you mean by foragers now? Yes. They don't go out to go search nectar and pollen. So the bees they remain in the hive, they very few. So if you conveniently work that time, you come out for hive before the foragers they come back. So one point that I want to make it very clear. So in future, when you work for hives, always take this time 7 to 8, 5 to 6. They're very, 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 very important. Okay. This is what they explain about pin. This box, if you get bees inside, the bees will stay when they be crowded. The bees produce queen cells with the intention of swarming. If you come to move one frame where you see those queen cells. They will normally produce queen cells in the swarm cells. It will be in another end. Emergency cell will be in the middle. Swarm cells will be. So if you see one of those cells, you still take this one frame so you start a new colony. I don't know whether I understand that point. So you see one of these box. If you never make it crowded, you will end up getting 5 colonies or more only from one of these boxes. So each time we move your one frame, you start a new colony, you put different frames there. If you see 2 frames that they get queen cells, you move on 2 different colonies. Then you replace this one back with empty frames. So that as the bug will stay here to the now, I will do what. Okay, so while as I did on the box, I just explain the box. Somebody may ask, they say, how do you manage this? When you look here for the box, you get this bit. Normally, when you for bush, I don't know whether that corner. Normally, when you for bush, that's what you do. You try for to be straight, balance. When bees they enter here, you come for night. You want carry them. A man, you follow.
Yeah.
You want carry them. You lock and so.
So why need round?
Not round.
No.
If you see these discs, you get place where you get ventilation holes in there. So if you just for one night you put out these holes, the bees they will breathe. If the bees say they don't stay inside, they don't see all these other ventilations, they will breathe. If you want to go far, the place where you say one can flip from beach or able the north. You extend and so. You see that this ventilation hole a bit bigger than the other one. This is an obviously pass here. But if you bring her here, like when you do one that will reach that stage where you have see swamp for bush, where the cluster now, where you go catch them. If you catch them, put inside. You use now instead this hole. Why we use this hole? Because this hole get queen excluder. Worker bees if you go out, the queen if you go out. And if queen no go out, they no run. So after some time when they run settle, you will give them full opening.
Drill some holes where it ventilator. I used to discover saying things like snakes, the life will go on top. Lizard, the life will go on top. I don't know whether you don't witness how you fight snakes, lizards, and ants. The life will climb, go for that on top. Then they go inside. The worst one a rat.
Yes. We take all those things into consideration. Now why that will tell you so when you drill hole, put net.
Okay.
Snake no be pass to the net no.
Okay.
Or lizard or rat, no be pass here.
Okay.
You put net now, so you protect them from any element. The eyes will be passing na ants. Now why that way even I don't know whether they inform you because this type of put today. The person will go there attend to the eye. You go find some small panel, for engine oil for they put under before put them. That will prevent ants. The lizard, you will hardly prevent lizard. The eyes thing I just say keep the apiary clean. Because lizard if you put the engine oil, they see can jump. And the lizard, the other thing they do is say they chop bees. Maybe actually say they beat the job. But if you get very big colonies, these are the fish enter there. And when they enter, the bees will abscond. So now why that would insist say put net so that you avoid all those other bigger threats to the hive. So with this, if you don't, who don't ever attend any big seminar we government organize or any competition for honey. It's either seminar or competition for honey. Any person don't attend.
I don't attend seminar.
For honey.
Yes.
The inspectors already come. Or it will be about which the seminar be about it.
Production of beehives.
Okay. But if you don't attend any seminar on competition, honey competition,
No.
if you see most of that inspected for honey competition, you must get this in. If you don't get this in, then you know if it tells honey. It means that the this flow. If you look, don't pass around. If you look now, all the same way. Just look through. Other just give 2 or 3%. Be careful with that glass no blow. If you look and through, you see what it.
It's like evil spirit them talk.
You see what it. Now we get a small eye. You see what it. Come, you come.
Oh God.
Look.
Retro. That's good. You see this thing for
No see no nothing.
I think I get look face
It
up.
means like night dark. Wait, now wait here 1 minute. And apart from that color, something else there for on the sides. Mas apart from that blue color, there's something on the sides. Wait till you see on that side.
Come, go and look at that thing. We have done a lot of alcohol.
We get something there like
Look, don't tell me wait to get
Yeah, you see what's the temperature on a waiting.
Alright, that mango. God. Fun time there today. Put them closer to your eye. Okay.
Tell me wait to see him.
Anything we see, I'm just telling. Blue and then this thing of corner, you see it your corner.
Honey moisture.
Yeah, or the honey moisture you see now wait every day. Which percentage?
Any number, call the number.
It's 10.0.
Look where.
18.
Okay, give the that one. Give the that one.
I can say 18.0.
You see anything? Okay. Okay, they are running down. They don't calculate. No, it's testing the honey. You just need small quantity of the honey. Even one drop will do. Okay. Yeah, your honey don't enter plenty. When you cover now, for the cover fine, I say want me the honey spray for all the machine. So microscope maybe. My eye too don't start. Now I know where all black. Come, you have me here. Somebody come. Where should you see now?
Call what you are
Seeing?
seeing.
See one part white, the other part blue, right? Yes. So wait, you read me the moisture content. You'll see something percentage your corner. Or come towards the window, do it.
Go wait till you see.
What is the percentage?
10.0.
No, I'm not better. Even the best one in the world must be 10.0.
It show the board. Okay, they put it, okay, put down.
We play the honey moisture opposite or on that level.
Okay, the level where they.
From that play white end. From that play white end, read down.
I think they make video the long now. When they get, I think they try for it, even if they go, some other person get them quick. Make when video long, you know, they forward them. Give somebody way feel it down quick. It make when we video long, the video stop.
18.0 for the player.
Look place where the white end. Which way is where the
Where's the 18.0? Next.
If you see anything, where that white end?
Right.
What will be the percentage here?
17.
Lab,
17. 17.0.
Okay, more see. Where that white line end. Okay, if we get 3 persons where they say 18, that means 18 now.
18.0.
For the blue number one. Then for the blue white.
Honey moisture. Now read now, my brother. Honey moisture. %, centigrade. Okay, no, I made a mistake. The mistake I make an assign be focus. Come along now. Look on that percentage on the left.
Okay, but on the left, because the two right in the left.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
How many?
20.
Come and confirm.
20%. Centigrade.
You see now clearly.
Very clear.
So we get the honey moisture 20%.
I think I just sent.
If you anyone will like to say anything. Anyone else person will like to say at least they don't see it. I mean say after the process, after you don't check it, you shift it and go any other thing. You do how?
Nothing. Because like me, I go to 0.5, 1 liter, 1.5. I must come out and sell it as.
You just put on direct.
Yes.
This information why they don't give you now. Now information we even all beekeepers don't know. So I want to listen. If any person there outside, you come inside. I'm gonna listen very attentively. Or the person where they outside, maybe in a class this, he go miss this information. You never hardly get the information. Even all beekeepers don't know. Even people they record that, they take a record on their phone. When you harvest honey, you process them. You don't do all your shifting. You know so why you keep honey for a year. As you test that honey, so if you keep them open, after 5 minutes, we test again, the moisture content will go up. Why? Because honey they attack moisture. So no matter how you shift that honey, moisture or air, it will attract moisture. So the best and proper way for you to preserve honey now, get a container or even this pantex where you get cover, will be sealed fine, airtight. Put something like a tap for under. When you move your honey, put that inside that pantex container. Me be there for at least 3 days. Covered, airtight, covered. All that moisture and all that debris that remain inside, it will come up. I don't know. Now you should see on inside bottle way it gets up. They see them up. Every honey way you keep them for airtight container, all the tea moisture will come up. If you make honey tester now, it give you that 20%. Use the procedure for storage for 2 days before you tin them. You see the percentage will drop. Very important. Because I say plenty people don't know the technique. I repeat, store your honey, carry after you process and put it inside a pantex. Seal, the cover must seal, it must seal very well. All nonsense where inside that honey will come to the surface. When you want to start tinner now, you don't need to open the upper cover. Go down by a tap. If in a bottle, put the bottle, slant the bottle one side. Why? So that the small airway inside the bottle, where honey they enter, the air they come out. Okay, thank you.
The small airway dey inside, you slant am, the air will come out. I no be know say that man go outside and go find the same for the benefit of it. Ma repeat the process over. After when you don press your chaps, for those that get that old high, press your chaps or use the process to remove your honey. Pour am inside container. If you be pantes, if you be that beer container, but make the container seal well, airtight. Wait for 2 to 3 days or even more. All the dirty way inside and all the moisture way inside the honey will come up to the surface. Then now when you want to start thinning honey, no go back for that big cover opener. Turn on that tap cover for tap. You start thinning honey. Slant your bottle one side so that any airway inside that bottle will come outside. Thin now. Now whether you see any honey with the slant any place, it never be thin. Because when you expose them, moisture will enter. I hope the information will be helpful.
Very, very.
Depending on what they do anything that economy they normal. But now, when I move up, when the steam and I only one hand the high up, so what to be the cost?
That one a medical doctor will advise you. I'm very know that because me too I get that kind of skin. When bees sting me, you know it's well. Even now 50 bees they sting me. You'll see my hand, place there sting and you'll be like how they give person tetanus vaccine. Only small pip. You know wherever see any place well. Yeah. Now why that be the explainer for you don't need to take video there. And the explainer some person outside they say some of them will start get bee suit. If you wear bee suit, make sure say any person will go do, even if you say the wash no problem, even any person for your house, whether their wife or your people they wash your bee suit. Make sure say maybe stinky at least once a month. Because if you inhale that venom through your bee suit, we never because this thing they like vaccine, we never get that sting from the bees. It will affect a medical condition. So it be necessary to be stinky. And for you to be immune to that, because some people be allergic. You know some people they will even 5 bees sting them if you die. Because they get allergic to bees. So if you don't introduce your pikin or any person who will take care of your bee suit, you don't listen. If it affect you negative, be necessary. You see at my level, my pikin all them, they enter apiary, whether bee suit or no bee suit. They fit stand at a distance. When one bee sting one, I say yes, that's good. You back here, but no, the pan, oh the pan.
Be careful and unbreakable.
Okay, no, but that's it. Just put it back. Small. But the water, please just try to increase that container of water. We'll get something reasonable. So that in case the water go down to other. You need to put that plenty. Now what I tell you, if you small country sell for 5,000. Because that small country has done 5,000, you use it for 50 different boxes. You just need this cotton bud. Small. If you put small soap, go on for that frame, this frame there. So the 1, 2. The number of right entrance, the M inside. That's all. When you put them plenty, then you see the wax so I make almost about 10 or 20 wax sheets. And so once you get that point, it's finish. I just put a drop. It smells for all that. If you put them plenty, bees will actually come, but they don't enter.
They are high.
It's high. So go instead for attract them, go drive them. They will feel like say some heavy colony there already there inside. You know they enter. When we finish, when you go ready, you go smell it. Then you tell me how it smell. My channel you will see. I guess on channel, the channel I make part 1 and part 2 of DDC. I be giving my channel link yesterday now. If you go there, if you be subscribed, So say each time I produce anything, if I go attend any seminar for any other place, and I feel benefit from the seminar because I always publish them for YouTube, for that channel. And some other things they really feel benefit from. Somebody stay a bit more worried that people they need a time for.
Yeah.
And if you want to see wonders with this season for catching, if you want to see wonders with this season, if you want to see wonders where you want to catch swamp, you mix this thing with wax. You mix the wax. That's to do the one so. Now wonderful. Because you know this may not ever expire. You put that in a place within swamp season. The swamp season, you know, say the swamp season for any which time. Una swamp season for Upper Guneku now which time.
Around October, when you have
The
flash.
I don't know, guess what you
March, April. April, in short, April. Around April.
Why swamp dey occur? If we talk yesterday, say why swamp dey happen?
Because they produce more flowers.
No, we say why swamp happen? Why bees dey cut comot?
They listen to smoke.
When you don't graduate from colony.
No, the main reason no be the after the reason why they comot bee there go comot inside hive like swamp.
Okay, when there don't be more than 1 pea inside.
It's English of me.
When they plenty,
Good. Now the answer
they
that
don't plenty.
when they plenty inside the hive, they be crowded.
Okay.
The queen pheromone they go round again.
Mm-hmm.
Part of the bees they go comot. And which time when you feel say bees they feel plenty? Pollen. Bees they use pollen to increase their brood. That time when pollen the time when flower dey for that March, April, you see that time. Now why they harvest on it, most heavy giant honey, big peak honey na main. Why it be so? Because the bees they don't consume within that March, April, then they give you for me. So normally, if you are big picking at me, it means that eventually, if within that time, bees will be crowded. So swarm season is supposed to be May, maybe June, and July. Part May, June, July. And to an extent, you see say within October for certain areas, flowers will come out too. So we don't get around the time babies, so we get swamp, small part swamp season, mid-September, October and November. So when you know this calendar, you go to catch bees like the wishman. Because some man go put your own box now. A box will be today, maybe if you don't get lucky, because now luck. So if you catch absconding bees, either they go born both to some place, they come out on the catcher. But within that mid-May to July, if someone put your own box now, you just be quiet. Now you don't get the knowledge, you just be quiet. You want to reach around May, mid-May, you go put your own box. After 2 days, you catch. It goes also waiting. Say the wishman now. Say since I don't put my own box in 5 months, I no catch. The man can put on 2 days to catch. And I say knowledge is power. When you know your swarm season for your place, within 1 week you want catch 100, you catch them. Your boys will make this catcher box and plenty. Spread them all round. Go far. So that you want catch within that 1 week they come out. And this one trade you get for notice now, say the swarm that they can that May, mid-May. Now prime swarm. Heavy swamps. They're heavy. Because that's the first one when they come off a box. They have the city be crowded, the second one they follow around that joint. You see big crowd, and the third one they follow. Then again, within that May, at people they go harvest. Some people they harvest, like one of my brother beginners say, use my fire. Bonham. When you use that fire, within that time too, the bees they will come out. They levy the honey. Mostly, they will come out levy honey. You feel catch them within that time. Some people they go harvest, they don't have a sign. The bees have gone. So you see, say within that May, June, July, you get a lot of things working in your favor as a beekeeper. So even if you get like 100 of these things, you'll see catch. I believe that makes some sense or not.
In the May, I go again for harvest. They don't feel like all the whole that box will be filled with honey. Honey. They see that all the dark combs and they feel that white comb. All be see white. So I will harvest all. They give me around 16 liters.
Then tell me harvest what you have for. Tell you harvest all what you
I
have.
want to the box they empty now.
Now you see how the dog can say.
No man inside.
You don't say. It will always be advisable for harvest leaves one gold with the be them. That's the way they make them. So they don't make them and say you can't take them. They make them say they keep surplus for time waiting. They know they go. So harvest keep them small. When harvest all, most of the time they will abscond. And you raise very important point for them. That point say you see old comb there for them. Remember, bees cycle for big comb in about 2-3 years. If you don't notice that some of you now don't do beekeeping, when comb don't overstay inside hive, queen they lay for them. Now what I've been telling you is when you extract honey, when you don't get queen, you put that comb back. The first 2 queen will go there for day. Go like fresh comb. When comb don't stay for your hive for 2-3 years, all that side you will see say you go abandon them. That kind of black comb them.
Yes.
You go abandon them. You go be keep finding a fresh comb today. So the cycle now say after every maybe 2-3 years, change them, move that comb there, scatter them, put the empty frame, you go draw them. And there are story to say within a short period, your honey field. It means say on an area. If you do this modern beekeeping for an area there, you'll be a very rich man. Because the period when you clean everything, then they be able to feed them for you within the two months period, right?
Yes.
They be able to feed them for you. It means when you tie hard, construct one of these hives, go and go that company where they extract them, you'll be a millionaire. Because the aspect of beekeeping, now when they get enough forage. Now why the Mr. Lucius we discussed the other day say he said they make good honey down there. Now because of which we get for down there get more than 1,000 hectares of rubber. And rubber flower it will last for 5. The flower say it last maybe 1 or 2 months. But it still get some small thing they call and say extra nectary substance. For this the place where it gets some substance very sweet. Bees they still go take them. They go produce you nectar. Now whenever you see like rubber tree, you see ants, they always be out, they be on top, they go supply tree. So if you see for that one area, so when I get that kind, they are very kind trees there, where they get that extra nectary substance. So beekeeping it will be very lucrative. It will be very, very. That's the way you have to take them very serious. I don't know whether I help okay.